Hey, Heather from Hooked on Pickin' here. I've got another set of photos. This is part 2 of my World War II black and white photos that I got from an auction. I paid $17.50 for an entire box of them. So here are just some of the highlights. These are mostly aerial photos. I know specifically that they're from Berlin because it's labeled on the back that they're from Berlin. But there's a few other photos I interspersed in here with people just because they're very iconic pictures. But I'm going to hand it over to my husband and he's going to kind of talk about each photo because he's the history buff in the family.
I think this photo right up here in the corner, it's kind of curling here, is either the commanding officer of the unit that the man was serving under that took the photos. And you can, if you're no military, you might be able to understand rank there. The picture might be good enough for that, I'm not sure. But I thought it was a cool looking photo. This was a banquet that some of the writing has on some of the other pictures, that they had a banquet after they had basically won the war. Awesome there. If you look over here, you can see it's like post-war Germany, what's going on. That's a field that they're working in there. And there's two ladies there. If you look at that building there, I'm not sure what that building is, but you can see like it's been shelled. Oh, it's amazing there. Here they are again, a little bit more of a close-up of that, them working. And what are they working for? They're harvesting. They're actually growing things. It was so hard to get food at that time period. They're growing food anywhere they want, anywhere they could. So if you had a park in a city, they're growing things there, just to live life. And you can see that they were actually piling up some of that. If Heather, you can hold that up there a little better. Yeah, and you see them right there. It's a little dark for me to be able to do it there. There we go. That's a little better. But look at that. Look at that. Very cool. Now here are some of the aerial photos of Germany, post-war Germany. And you can see some of the devastation that's there, but you can also see the roads and whatnot. You might be able to figure out where that is exactly. Here's one here.
I love the building in this one.
Which one there?
This right here.
Yes. That to me, if you, there we go. I'm sorry for the camera shaking. I'm trying to, she's moving and I'm moving. It looks like some kind of cathedral, but I could be wrong. Beautiful building. Beautiful building. Look at that. Just amazing. The bombing, the devastation, but also that these pictures survived everything. Very beautiful area. Let's see. Oh, this iconic photo. I can't remember what that spire is called, but I know if you go to Germany today, it's still there. I've seen that before, and some of you could instantly tell me what that is. But just amazing that the photo was there to be had. Another picture of that cathedral from a little bit of a different point of view. But just look at that. Amazing. Absolutely amazing. Good deal.
We would love to get more info on these photos, so if you have any info or you just want to comment which ones you like or don't like, please let us know. And if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. If you'd like to watch more videos, you can click here and be able to watch some more videos. But just remember, in the end, Jesus wins.